Hello everyone. In this video, we will get to know how we can access various reports in Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra application like check status report, depositor list report and coupon management report. So first of all, let's talk about check status report. For that, we need to click on check status over here. In this report, we get the information of those depositors who have collected funds via checks. We get the information like depositor name, depositor's Prant, Jilla and the total amount the depositor has collected through checks. If we want to search for any particular depositor record, then we can click on this search bar and enter the name of the depositor. In this way, we get the record of that particular depositor. If we click on the name of the depositor, we get the detailed information for this depositor related to checks, that is depositor name, Prant name, Jilla name, check number of the checks received, the amount received via each check, then check date, on which date this check has been given to the depositor, and the check status, like whether this check has been donated or the check has been realized, etc. We can also take the Excel sheet for future reference. After check status report, we have depositor list report. For that, we need to click on depositor list over here. In depositor list report, we get the information of each and every depositor like depositor name, Prant name, Jilla name, etc. If we want to click on any particular depositor, then we can search for that depositor in the search bar, and as we can see, we get the information like the name of the depositor which we have searched for, the depositor's Prant, Jilla name, depositor ID, the date on which this depositor has been approved, then the amount collected via 10 rupees coupon, the amount collected via 100 rupees coupons, the amount this depositor has collected through 1000 rupees coupons, the amount collected by the depositor through receipt in cash, then the amount collected through check through receipts, the total amount collected by this depositor, total amount deposited in bank, and the balance amount which is still needed to be deposited in bank. We can also apply date filters over here, like we can apply from date and to date, so that we can get the list of all those depositors during this particular time period. After depositors list report, we have coupon management report. For coupon management report, we have to click on coupon management over here. In this report, we get the list of depositors along with their coupon information, like for every depositor how much coupons or receipts have been issued to any particular depositor, like how much 10 rupees coupon, 100 rupees coupon, 1000 rupees coupons or receipts have been issued to the depositor. Out of those, how many coupons or receipts have been used and how many coupons or receipts are still in balance. Herein also, if we want to search for any particular depositor, we can click on search bar and get a particular record. We can also click on this return over here if the depositor wants to return some coupons or receipts back. In the return option, we get the balance coupon or receipt information, that we have 140 coupons of rupees 10, we have 130 coupons of rupees 100, we have 25 coupons of rupees 1000, and out of which how many coupons we want to return for each and every coupon, and then we can click on submit. So in this way we can access the reports of Shri Ram Janmabhoomi application. Thank you.